the XLOOKUP function to find things by row. Let's see how it works. Select a cell. Type equal, XLOOKUP. Specify what you want to look up, also called lookup value. Type comma. Specify where you want to look for value, also called lookup array. Type comma. Specify the array, to return. Hit enter. Function has returned the employee who has ID number 203. If we change employee ID, function will return the corresponding name. XLOOKUP can return an array with multiple items. Let's see how. Select a cell. Type equal, XLOOKUP. Specify what you want to look up. Type comma. Specify where you want to look for value. Type comma. To return an array with multiple items, specify the range to return. Add comma. Add an argument to return, if lookup value is not found. Hit enter. A single formula can return both employee name and region of employee who has ID number 207. If we enter an employee ID that does not exist, function will return ID not found.